Welcome to English Podcast Academy, where we make learning English easy and fun. Hello, my lovely students. Today, I want to share with you the 3 simple changes I made in my English routine that made everything easier. These changes didn't require more time or more talent, just a new way of thinking and a new way of practicing. If you feel stuck or frustrated, this video might be exactly what you need. The first change I made was this. I stopped focusing on grammar rules and started focusing on real sentences. Instead of memorizing the rules, I listened to how people actually speak. I watched videos, listened to podcasts, and paid attention to patterns. I learned phrases like, "What do you mean? Can I ask you something? I'm not sure about that." These are real phrases that people use all the time. When I stopped trying to be perfect and started learning like a child, by hearing and repeating, I felt free. My speaking became faster and more natural. The second change, I practiced every single day, but only for a short time. Before, I thought I had to study for hours, but that made me tired and bored. So instead, I made it fun and simple. 10 minutes of listening while walking, 5 minutes of shadowing in the mirror, a short paragraph in my notebook. That's all, but I did it every day. And the results surprised me. Small steps done daily work better than big study sessions once a week. It became a habit, and habits bring results. And the third change I made, I stopped studying alone in silence. I started talking, even if no one was there. I spoke to myself. I described what I was doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee. I'm going to the market. I asked myself questions. How do I feel today? What do I want to eat? I even answered them out loud. At first it felt weird, but soon I started thinking in English. And that changed everything. So these are the 3 changes. Focus on real sentences, practice a little every day, and talk out loud even if you're alone. You don't need a perfect study plan. You just need to take small, smart steps. If you follow this, your English will become easier, more natural, and more fun. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, write small steps every day in the comments, and subscribe for more helpful lessons. And don't forget to check out our playlists. They are perfect for short, daily practice. You're doing great, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.